Hello scholar, welcome to day 6 of being a badass in Precalculus. Today's question is on trigonometry. So we have a question, the question says, in right triangle ABC with right angle C, cos of A, cosine of A is 5/13. What's the value of sine A multiplied by tan A? Alright, so we already have the triangle here, the right triangle here, right? Right triangle has a right angle of 90 degrees, and we were told it's right angle C. And it says the cosine of A is 5/13. Now, we're going to use the SOHCAHTOA formula to identify the lengths of the lines on our triangle. All right. SOHCAHTOA says the sine is the opposite divided by the hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So cosine of A is 5/13. So 5 is the adjacent and 13 is the hypotenuse. First things first, where's the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle, and it is the side facing the right angle. So that means it's AB. This is 13. All right. Now, what is the adjacent side to A? The adjacent side to A is the side that is not the opposite. The opposite is the side facing the angle, while the adjacent is the side that is not facing the angle. So this is 5. All right. So if this is 5 and this is 13, what is this one? We can get this one by using the Pythagoras theorem. All right, where it says 5 squared plus, let's call this x, okay, plus x squared equals to 13 squared. All right. So x squared is what? 13 squared minus 5 squared. X squared is 169 minus 25, which is 144. That means x is what? 12. So this angle here is what? This side here, rather, is what? 12. So we have already all the sides of our right triangle, 5, 12, and 13. So what is the value of sine A multiplied by tan A? What is sine A now? Sine A is what? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. What's the opposite side to A? Is what? 12/13 over the hypotenuse, 13, right? Then what is tan A? Tan of A is what? Using our formula, opposite over adjacent. So what is the opposite? 12. Remember, the opposite is the side facing the angle. All right? 12. What is the adjacent? The adjacent is the other side that is not the hypotenuse and it's not facing the angle, which is 5. All right? 5. So sine A multiplied by tan A is 12/13 multiplied by 12/5, which is 144/65. And that's the answer to the question. All right. So this question is by first identifying the sides of the triangle based on the SOHCAHTOA formula. All right. If you found value from this video, please make sure you subscribe and like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know if you have any questions on this, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Make sure you also share with your friends, and I will see you in day 7. Thank you.